Welcome to the IPMAN S operation guide. Step 1. Screw in the two antennas clockwise onto the top of IPMAN S. Step 2. Insert MPF battery to the rear battery socket. When you hear a click, that means it is properly mounted. If you want to unmount the battery, then press the release button on the left and push the battery upward. If you want to use external power, you may connect DC power cable to the power socket on the left. The range of input power is 6.2 to 18 volt. Step 3. Push power button upward to the on position. Once you see the screen display, then it is successfully turned on. After the use of IPMAN S, please don't forget to turn the power switch to off position and unmount the battery. Thank you for watching.